No formal qualifications? No problem. How to leverage your natural talent when starting out in interior decorating. Have you ever been told that you need a formal qualification to succeed in interior decorating? Well, I'm here to tell you that that's simply not true. Hi, I'm Heidi, the owner of Her Decorating Business, the online course that teaches creative women how to start their own interior decorating businesses. Today I'm going to show you how to leverage your natural talent and passion for interior decorating with no degree required. Interior decorating is all about passion, creativity, and a keen eye for detail. If you find yourself naturally drawn to design, rearranging your own space just for fun, or obsessing over the latest decor trends, you've likely already got what it takes. Passion fuels creativity, and in this field, creativity is king. You don't need fancy qualifications to prove your talent. Start by building a portfolio using what you already have, your own home. Take before and after photos of spaces you've transformed, and don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. This portfolio will be your ticket to showing potential clients what you can do. You can also borrow spaces in your friends' homes. I remember before I had done any jobs at all, buying cushions and decor items, leaving the price tags on, styling a space with them, getting loads of before and afters, and then taking those items back to the store. A little bit cheeky, but I like to think of it more as creative. In my online course, Her Decorating Business, I show my students an even better way to build their skills and their portfolio. And that is by starting their business with a home staging offering. This is hands down the best way to start and show your potential clients what you can do. We recommend hiring your furniture from furniture suppliers to style your clients' homes for sale. This way you can practice creating gorgeous spaces, get beautiful photography of your work, and even more importantly, learn by doing. It's also a great way to produce engaging before and after social media, like this one here. First, you see an underwhelming empty room, and then voila, a gorgeous styled space that you have done. It's entertaining and great social proof, showing off your talents. Typically, the homes you style for sale will start completely vacant. So it's nice to get before photos and videos, and then in 5 or so hours after you've finished, depending on the size of the home, you can take afters of those same areas on the same day. There aren't going to be as convenient opportunities with your interior decorating jobs, so this is a great service to take advantage of. Another reason I show my students how to style for sale is that it's a great way to collect Google reviews from your clients. A home staging job is quite often 1 week from seeing the home for the first time to it being styled and ready for photography. That is super quick, right? With interior decorating, you are ordering the furniture for your clients, and it generally takes months for these ordered items to arrive and then be set up in the home. So collecting client reviews is a lot slower process. Learning on the job is one of the best ways to hone your skills, especially with home staging. You can learn a lot by watching other decorators on platforms like YouTube and Instagram. The more you observe and the more you practice, the more you'll pick up tips and tricks that will refine your style. Another amazing tool is networking. Now, this is definitely something I was slow to do, and I definitely regretted it when I started and realized how powerful it was. Networking is key to building your brand. Attend local events, join online communities, and connect with other decorators. Word of mouth is powerful in this industry. Let people know what you do, and don't be shy about sharing your work on social media. Another way to get ahead is to keep educating yourself. Who says you need to be in a classroom to learn? There are countless resources online, from blogs and tutorials to e-courses like mine that cover everything from colour theory, space planning, and all the business and marketing side of things. Invest time in self-education and you'll be surprised at how much you can learn without ever setting foot in a traditional classroom. Finally, remember that confidence is your best asset. Believe in your talent and trust your instincts. You've got this. I hope you have found this video useful. Remember to like and subscribe, and you'll hear more from us. Catch you in the next video. Bye for now.